Dancing from
What are you doing?
Oh no, Sparky thinks she can do better.
You can do better. All right, Spark, you are trouble tonight. All right, Spark, it's your turn to show everybody here how you get down. Spark, see? What do you think, Kimmy? Was that pretty good? Yeah, can you do better? Yeah, all right, Kimmy, come on down here, Kim. Spark, see. I know. Kimmy here has actually learned a brand new move today. You know the move that the guys like, don't you? Yeah, what do all the boys like in the club? What do they like? When you shake those hips.